A new year is upon us, and with it, fresh determination to build a Europe that lives up to its promise. A Europe that stands up for our way in the world. A Europe where we are proud of our values and the guiding light they provide. A Europe where we understand that we can only deliver when we act together. An unapologetic Europe that is agile and able to adapt and shape the new world we live in. A Europe that looks forward with hope, not back with false nostalgia. A Europe that makes it easier for us all. A Europe that clears away the obstacles, that simplifies, supports, and bursts bureaucratic bubbles, that gives us the space to grow, compete, and prosper. A Europe of solidarity that makes it fairer for all those who sustain our communities. For the younger generations on whose shoulders the duty to carry our union forward will fall. For the elderly who raised, taught, and guided us. A Europe personified by our firefighters and emergency workers who crossed borders to rush into the flames and help neighboring countries. A Europe that makes it safer for our people, that takes responsibility for its own security. A Europe that people can rely on, that guarantees peace of mind. A Europe where affordable homes and quality jobs are foundations people can rely on. Where we double down on the need for real equality of opportunity. A Europe that is larger, reformed, and faster. That opens its doors to those ready to join our union. That builds solid partnership with allies across the globe. In the European Parliament, that's the European Union my colleagues and I will keep pushing to bring closer every single day. That's the path we will walk down together this year. Happy New Year, everyone. Here's to 2026.